What's up, YouTube? So in the last hour we've had 3 people come in for exhaust, and we're very busy. And I'm an exhaust specialty shop, but Meineke doesn't advertise for that anymore. But all your gas stations and garages know that. Why you shouldn't go to a gas station, right, to have your exhaust system done, right? One, it's against the law to use torches and welding equipment in a gas station. So doing exhaust does require that. And here's what went on. So they went to this shop, they put this muffler on that doesn't actually fit right. So you can see it's pinned against the body here and hitting the shield. That's not their fault per se, because the crap that they sell aftermarket doesn't fit right. Do you think they advised this customer of that? No, because they told me the gas station that's up the road from me who did this. You're not supposed to be doing exhaust work using a torch welding equipment. No, not in a gas station. Fire hazard.
I mean, technically, they didn't use.
I bet you they have.
We don't know if they use.
They ain't getting these off any other way unless they grind them off or use a torch.
They use the torch.
Well, I'm going to tell you, you can't work on cars in South Jersey without a torch and a welder. Anyway, so they just did this, right? That doesn't fit right, and then sent it out the door. The sway bar frame bushings are bad. You see this bar? That's not supposed to rattle in the bushings. I'm sure they didn't say anything about that, and that's okay. I'm sure they didn't say anything that this pipe here is near the end of its useful life. So that's what mates to the direct fit muffler they put on. And this is not cheap. This probably cost the gas station $150 just for the part. You can see by the hanger position that it's not straight up and down. So we're gonna follow this up here. There's no ring left in the metal, just about gone. And then somebody patched this into this section here. And then the front pipe is completely disconnected. I did a visual inspection. The brakes are a little low in the front, and depending on the use, I would say probably good for another 6 months, maybe longer, depending on the driving. So the brake pads are low. They're not here for that, but I like to take a look. I didn't get to drive it because it's loud and it's hot. The throttle response seemed a little boggy to me too, but that could be something else with no engine light on. So here's what I'm going to advise. Replace just the flex pipe, because this section's still good and this section's still good. And then replace from here up to the muffler that these guys put on, and then make this muffler fit right so it doesn't rattle. But when I'm done, even with the exhaust, you're going to get a rattle from the sway bar back here, because the sway bar frame bushings have been gone for so long. And then I do these videos, and I don't say people's names or anything like that, so that the customers can actually see a live video of their car and what's wrong with it. And, you know, the videos don't lie. Thanks for watching.